color remains at the bottom of the national flag tricolor? Answer B. Green. What is the highest peak of Aravalli mountain called? Answer A. Guru Shikhar. What does the white stripe of national flag tricolor indicate? Answer C. Peace and truth. What does the green color of the national flag represent? Answer B. Fertility, faith and prosperity. How many spokes are there in the three-color wheel of the national flag? Answer C. 24. When was the draft of the national flag adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer A. 22 July 1947. The national bird of India is? Answer B. Peacock. The national flower of India is? Answer A. Lotus. The national tree of India is? Answer C. Banyan. The national anthem of India is? Answer B. Jana Gana Mana. The national river of India is? Answer D. Ganga. Which mountain range of India is the latest? Answer A. Himalayas. The national animal of India is? Answer B. Bengal tiger. The national song of India is? Answer A. Vande Mataram. The national fruit of India is? Answer B. Mango. Which game most popularly support in India? Answer A. Cricket. Where is the maximum solar energy production in India? Answer A. Rajasthan. Which state is the largest producer of wind power in India? Answer B. Tamil Nadu. When was the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board established in India? Answer A. On 15 November 1983. Where is the headquarters of the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board? Answer C. Mumbai. Who was the father of Indian cinema? Answer B. Dada Saheb Phalke. The British Governor General who started the postal system in India was? Answer A. Lord Dalhousie. Education in India is a? Answer D. Fundamental rights. Who was the third President of India who died during his office? Answer B. Dr. Zakir Hussain. When was the Flag Code of India established? Answer C. 2002. Which river is called the Gangas of South India? Answer C. Godavari. The largest animal fair of India is held every year? Answer D. Sonepur, Patna in Bihar. Which city is called Boston of India? Answer A. Ahmedabad. Tuju Pass connects India with which country? Answer A. Myanmar. In which of the following states of India is the number of males less than females? Answer C. Kerala. On which river Bhakra is the highest dam built in India? Answer B. Sutlej. Where is India's first iron steel company located? Answer A. Jamshedpur. Which state of India is known as the Sugar Bowl? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. The river valley, which is called as Roar of India? Answer B. Damodar. Which state in India is known as the food grain store of India? Answer B. Punjab. Silent Valley is situated? Answer C. Kerala. Where is Madurai? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. The most important source of energy in India is? Answer B. Coal. On which day is the National Science Day celebrated? Answer B. 28th February. What is the length of the coastline of India? Answer D. 7,516.6 km. What is the number of sea coastline states in India? Answer C. 9. The southernmost point of India is? Answer C. Indira Point. Which line serves to determine the boundary between India and China? Answer C. McMahon Line. The line dividing India and Pakistan is called? Answer A. Radcliffe Line. With which country India has the longest terrestrial border? Answer C. Bangladesh. By what name is the eastern sea border of India known? Answer D. Coromandel Coast. In which hemisphere is India located? Answer B. Northern Hemisphere. India's largest tunnel, Jawahar Tunnel, is located in which state? Answer C. Jammu and Kashmir. The southern tip of India is? Answer B. Cape Comorin. The mountain situated on the northern border of India is? Answer B. Himalayas.